Auto Turbo. Welcome to Start. Here's a roughly 700-word script about the 2026 Plymouth Barracuda, written as a dynamic, engaging narrative. You feel it before you see it, a low rumble that ignites the soul. The 2026 Plymouth Barracuda roars into view like a legend reborn. It's not just a car, it's an icon reincarnated for a new generation, blending timeless muscle car DNA with modern ferocity. Though Plymouth is a brand faded into history decades ago, whispers of the Cuda revival surged anew. Enthusiasts saw glimpses, rumors on forums labeling it a hoax, TikTok teasers offering tantalizing glimpses, and CGI renderings fueling daydreams. But now, the dream steps into daylight. The 2026 Barracuda is here. Imagine the silhouette. Bold, aggressive fender arches, a lean fastback roofline, and haunting headlights that recall the 1970s while promising future dominance. In concept footage and teasers, the car's aesthetic nods to its heritage without being shackled to it, a graceful balance of nostalgia and aggression. Under that sculpted hood beats a heart forged for speed. Videos depict a monstrous 750 horsepower monster, unleashing fury on asphalt with modern performance engineering. Powertrain rumors spin whispers of turbocharged version 8S or high-output engines, tailored for those who crave HEMI anger rather than quiet sophistication. Inside, the 2026 Cuda fuses retro charm with luxury. Imagine leather seats contoured for control, a dash that harks back to classic muscle interiors, and contemporary digital gauges delivering razor-sharp feedback. It's a cockpit that bridges eras, comfortable, stylish, yet primed for carnage when you drop the hammer. Its debut videos declare it loud and proud. The 2026 Plymouth Barracuda Unleashed shocks the world. 750 HP monster, the legend is back. But let's pause for perspective. None of the materials present during our search come from official automaker releases. Many appear to be fan-made, CGI mock-ups, or speculative teasers in social media and YouTube hype. Established automotive databases, such as the official Wikipedia entry for the Plymouth Barracuda, confirm that as of 2025, no new Barracuda model has officially materialized, though trademarks for the nameplates exist within Stellantis Dodge's archives. So here's the script voiceover with attitude and authenticity, but be mindful, it's speculative, creative, and inspired, rather than confirmed fact. Script. You gear up, the engine starts, and instantly, the air pulses with potential. This is no ordinary muscle car, it's a legend rebooted. Welcome the 2026 Plymouth Barracuda. Once a pony car legend of the 60s and 70s, the Barracuda faded into history after 1974. But muscle never dies, it slumbers. And now, it's awake. A revival painted in myth and roar, emerging from CGI dreams and rumorous whispers. Picture the aesthetic. Sculpted curves that call back to the original fastback form, modern accents that demand attention. The front end snarls. The stance is wide, low, ready. It's a muscle car for the digital age, dressed in nostalgia and attitude. You push the pedal, boom. A 750 horsepower Hulk screams to life. You toss rumors aside, this feels real. 40 miles per hour. Blink and you'll miss it. This isn't just revival, it's an earthquake. Inside, you sink into plush, sculpted leather. Retro dials frame modern screens. Everything about this cockpit says, ready. It's retro muscle, redefined. Promotional teasers talk big. The legend is back, muscle car monster, unleashed. The energy is undeniable, but behind the hype, the industry stays silent. This may yet be a digital dream, or something more. Wikipedia reminds us, no official release, just trademarks held in reserve. You twist the wheel, the road opens. You know, you're not just driving a car, you're commanding a piece of myth. The Barracuda revisited. The future meets the past. The roar echoes through the ages. Is it real? We won't know until Stellantis pulls back the curtain. Or doesn't. Until then, the 2026 Plymouth Barracuda lives on the stage of imagination. A muscle legend reborn. Auto Turbo Fade. Let me know if you'd like tweaks, tone, length, or more emphasis on speculative versus factual balance.